Hey people, welcome to this tool. Today we're here at Lowe's and I found these DeWalt 20 volt tool kits. They have this 2 combo kit for $169. It comes with the impact driver and the drill driver with 2 batteries. Also these single tool kits for $99 down from $159 that include 2 1.3 amp batteries and a tool bag each. So they come with the same kind of batteries, either kit. Yeah, they also got the Craftsman Days sale going on. I guess it's like the Ryobi Days. And if you buy one of these items right here for $99, then you could select a free tool. The items are this starter kit right here with the 2 batteries and the charger, a drill, a blower, or a string trimmer. And here's the items that you can choose from, which include this grinder. They also have the 3/8 ratchet. They have this buffer, the inflator, this hand vac, the jigsaw, this fan right here. They're calling it a hobby fan. Looks a little bit like the Ryobi fan with the clip on. And then they also have this orbital sander. And then they have a few tools that I never seen before, like this soldering iron right here, this rotary toolkit, this recip saw, circular saw, and this oscillating tool. So you can choose any of those tools when you buy one of the 4 for $99. Yeah, then they have these cobalt. These are 12-point sockets. The deep ones are SAE or metric, $23.98 down from $30. And then the short ones are $22.98 down from $29. And they're both SAE and metric as well. They also have these cobalt 25 key folding hex set, and those are $12.98 down from $16.98. And then they have these T-handle hex key set, $29.98 down from $39.98. Yeah, they got some Craftsman tool sets. They got this 51 piece down to $59.98. They have this 81 piece for $79.98. This 121 piece for $119. And then they have this 105 piece down to $79.98. Yeah, they had a few things over here on clearance. They had this Porter cable bandsaw for $189 down from $199. They also had this Rockwell portable tabletop saw for $129. And then they were clearancing a lot of the display units right here. They have this Porter cable bandsaw for $93 down from $189. They have the Porter cable drill press for $79 down from $179. Then they have this DeWalt heavy duty chop saw right here for $108 down from $219. Then they have this Craftsman planer, $198 down from $399. They have this Porter cable benchtop sander, $148 down from $299. This Porter cable 6-inch grinder for $37 down from $59. This Delta 8-inch grinder, $93 from $189. Then they have this DeWalt planer from $301 down from $603. And this other planer, the one that's more square, for $249 down from $495. And this Craftsman planer, $188 down from $379. And with that being said, people, if you like talking about tools, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.